Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire Strange Times, Volume 3, a captivating collection of 13 dark short stories by Victoria Pearson. This particular volume is the third installment in her acclaimed Strange Stories series. To get your copy, you have two primary avenues: digital purchase or physical acquisition. We will explore both options to ensure you find the best way to enjoy these intriguing tales. For those who prefer reading on digital devices, the ebook version of Strange Times, Volume 3 is easily accessible. You can purchase or even borrow it directly from Amazon. This allows you to enjoy the stories on your Kindle device, tablet, or smartphone using the free Kindle application. Digital acquisition provides instant access, letting you dive into the tales within minutes of your decision. If you prefer the feel of a physical book in your hands, a paperback copy of Strange Times, Volume 3 is also available. You can purchase it directly from author Victoria Pearson's official website, which often supports the author more directly. Additionally, Amazon provides options for ordering a physical copy, which will then be shipped to your home. This ensures you can enjoy the collection in your preferred format. To further support the author, consider purchasing Strange Times, Volume 3 directly from Victoria Pearson's website. This often provides the most direct benefit to the creator. Always ensure you are buying from a reputable source, whether it's the author's site or a major retailer like Amazon, to guarantee an authentic copy. Remember, borrowing options might also be available through certain digital platforms, offering another way to experience the stories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.